Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and it's Saturday. I'm back from Mammoth Mountain. Drove back here yesterday, hoping to make it in time for calls and coffee, and I did. But I'm still inside my car because check it out. Yeah, it's rain, and generally what happens is when it rains in Orange County, the cars don't come out for calls and coffee, but some cars did. So check it out, check it out. So you can definitely see here. It's wet, and yeah, last week on President's Day, there was like a record turnout. This week, looks like only a handful of cars because it's wet and raining. Anyway, I'm gonna open the door and go outside, brave, and take a look at the vehicles that did show up. Yeah, look at that. I got my car on display at Cars and Coffee. Cool. Next to a Honda S2000 and this wild color Saleen Mustang. Next to another Saleen Mustang. All right, so, and over here, some muscle cars show up. I don't see any, I see one Ferrari, but that's about it. Check out this Aston Martin Vantage. Get a good look at it since there's not many cars to show off. And they're still serving coffee. That's awesome. Nice tent too. All right, so check out this replica Ford GT40 by Hillpan Performance. Take a look at the engine there. Nice. Took up 2 parking spots. Hey, you might as well take up 5 today. And we have the Ferrari California. There's Instagram handle, the Lease Queen. Based on that name, I would imagine the owners are her. And we have Porsche 911. Oh, and Audi i8. I mean, a BMW i8, my mistake. I apologize if my lens is getting wet. Yeah, I do apologize for that if you're getting some raindrop in front of this video. Here we have a 911. It looks like a Renegade. The engine cover is up. I imagine it's a V8 in there, isn't it? Yeah, there is. It's an LS V8. Cool.
My only problem with this was I speed run over the time because my builder.
Yeah, it's made by a company called Renegade. And if you have an old vintage Porsche, you want more power, this is the way to do it. Regular Porsche here. Yeah, like last week, this parking lot was completely filled to the brim. They had to use a spill-off lot, the lot downstairs. This week, yeah, most of the BMW club made it out, so that's nice. Yeah, late arriving BMW. Check out this thing here. Wow. And again, I apologize if the water is destroying my lens here. I do have a little lens hood on it, but I don't know how much protection it's offering. This thing is pretty wild. There you go. Yeah, Mercedes with gills. All right, well, over there is a Bentley, and yeah, I think that's it. There you go. All right, guys. This is in Rained Out Cars and Coffee. I mean, I really actually wasn't expecting this many cars because, yeah, I'm all wet. But congratulations and thank you for all the participants who came out, support this event. Hopefully next week it'll be sunny and we're back to our normal scheduled cars and coffee. But until then, I'm just gonna pack it up, get ready for the .com lunch. All right, John Shaw with JohnShaw.com. Please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.